Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Dana.
And this is the Mercury booth.
From FurnitureLab.
Ooh. You want to hear a few things about the Mercury booth?
Give it to me.
Okay, so it's fully customizable. It has 6 bases and legs to choose from. 6! That's not even talking about the 7 backs that you can choose from. It's also our most affordable.
I heard it's our most popular style.
It is our most popular one.
And no sag sinuous springs. You know what that means? You sit in it, it'll last a lifetime. Yep, see that bounce?
That's good stuff right there.
Good. Features a crumb rail and a fully upholstered frame. The Mercury booth is available in standard sizes, or collaborate with us to customize the perfect length or height for you. Go, keep going, Yep, keep going.
Run out of room, Dana!
Yeah. How about this long?
Of course!
Adding on to the customizable elements of the Mercury booth,
Right.
You can put any contract textile to customize this Mercury booth.
Any?
Any contract textile. One more time for the people in the back. Any contract textile to customize the booth to your style and need.
10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab.
Crafted to connect.